How to enable or turn on lockdown mode in Chrome on iPhone. So if you think someone is targeting your browser or someone is about to hack into your Chrome, then you can easily turn on or enable the Chrome browser lockdown mode on your iPhone. So this will foster increase the security level of the Chrome browser if you are using it. So if I don't know this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or enable lockdown mode in Chrome on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Chrome app. Once open the Chrome app, click on the three dots at the bottom right. Then here, locate settings on the navigation and click on it. Once you click on settings, just scroll down the page. And here, locate privacy and security and click on it. There you go. Then you want to scroll down the page and locate lockdown mode. So if you can find lockdown mode, click on it. Now once you tap lockdown mode, locate lockdown mode again and turn this on. Then you should see when turned on, certain web technologies are blocked, which might cause some website to load more slowly or not to operate properly or correctly. Then go ahead and click on done. And then you are good to go. So that is basically how you can enable or turn on lockdown mode in Chrome on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.